Pieces welded together, cleaned up, bolted on there. This piece, I just finished making this piece. It's going to go on here like this. I weld it on here and down the back side. And the other side looks the same. These plates are not got that welded. That one's the same. So next thing I gotta do is make a couple of plates that I can weld on the back side of this plate, probably about this high. Come down like this and bolt it on. That way I'm gonna take the backhoe off. I can take this off. Take that off. This will stay here until I take this bolt out and this bolt out on both sides, and I can lift that whole assembly out of there. Then it won't interfere with my 3-point hitch. Which right now, if it came down, it wouldn't go low enough, it would hit that.
Two hours later.
Just about have it all fabricated. I'll need to take it all off and weld it all up.